It's Patrick at Pals. Well, today's the day. The 1966 Corvette is going home with its owner, Jennifer Walter. And this is Gene Lisles of Lisles Collision. And Gene did all the painting on this car and body work on the car. Now, I've known Gene Lisles for over 20 years. If I have a car that needs paint, Gene Lisles does the paint because he does it right. Gene, tell us a little bit about this car, what you did to it, how it started, and how it is now.
Well, we took it all, removed all the original paint and paint jobs that were previously on it, all the way down to the fiberglass, and we brought it back up with polyester primer 2 times, and then we made custom fit all the margins on the complete body, and then we did a base coat, clear coat paint job on it with DuPont products.
Now, this car had been sitting for a long time, and it had a typical problem that a lot of Corvettes C2s have, and that's the bird cage. Tell us what you did to repair this area right here on the windshield, Gene, because that was all rotted away when we brought you this car.
Right, we just fabricated new metal in it all the way around, especially on the bottom left over there. It was pretty well gone, so we had to fabricate and make panels for that. And of course, these cars have what's called bonding strips, right?
Yes. And those bonding strips can get loose. They're right in the seam of this car?
Right in the seam right here where it's put together.
Okay. Yeah. And you fixed all of those and made them so that they'll be right.
But to the car's credit, it was really in nice shape. It wasn't a really bad car to start with, so that made the job come out really nice. You know?
It really is.
The glass had been taken well care of over the years, because a lot of glass will get spongy and stuff, and this one was good and solid all the way through. So the car's a great car. I mean, the condition of the fiberglass is like new. So you got a good car. Yeah.
Well, Gene, we can't thank you enough for doing this paint job on this beautiful car. And if you have a car that needs a paint job, whether it's a 66 Corvette or another brand, take it to Gene Lisles at Lisles Collision. They'll do a terrific job for you. Thanks, Gene.